What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to review and demo for you guys the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. This particular palette was inspired by the daughter of Anastasia, which is Norvina, and she went with more like cool tones and nice transitional shades as well. So this is definitely brown girl friendly. We have 14 eyeshadow shades, and they are ranging from bold and bright mattes to soft pastel shimmers, which I'm not really too fond of, but the color scheme in this palette is absolutely gorgeous. So these shadows are very pigmented and they also are easy to blend. I did have some difficulty blending because of the eyeshadow primer that I used. They also are dual chrome as well as metallic pigments. The packaging includes a large mirror and a double-ended brush, as all of the other ones as well. And then we have all of these different shades of shimmers at the top row, and we have mattes at the bottom row. So I also swatched the shades for you guys just so that you guys see how it looked up against brown skin. The colors are very pigmented and they look very nice on my skin. None of them really appear to be ashy or anything like that. So the look that I have for you guys is a cut crease with a glitter liner. To get this look, make sure that you keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is what the palette looks like after I've dug in. I just really feel like if you be gentle with the shadows and not like just be pounding in them, you wouldn't have to worry about kickback. That's just me. I just believe like all the extra is not even necessary. Decent palette. What I will say is that I used the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. I didn't set it, and I think because these are like a bit powdery, like the matte shade, I probably need to set it because I usually don't set. It could just be me. I probably need more experience with blending, but it did do pretty good, but I did feel like it was a struggle trying to blend these shadows on top. So yeah, maybe I need to set my base, or that's something I could try next time. So yeah, I did. This is what I used, and that was really the only issue I feel like that I had with the palette. I also added in some of this NYX liquid crystal body liner. I also added this where you see like the glitter, and then these lashes are from AliExpress. And yeah, so this is the look that I came up with. The shades that I used were Dreamer in my tear duct, and I used Rose Gold on the third of my eye on the outer. I used Drama, and then in my crease I used Eccentric, Passion, as well as Incense. I used Base on my brow bone. Base also has shimmer in it, which I wasn't aware of at first, but yes, it does have shimmer in it. So yeah, as far as a review, that's all that I have for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out all the other videos that I have on my channel. I have a bunch of reviews and stuff like that for you guys. So if you're interested, then make sure you check those out. That's all I have for you guys today. So I'll catch you guys on my next video. And until then, stay beautiful and stay blessed.